Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam that is related to the site Mofims.live. Some people may see these pop-ups by Mofims.live and keep in mind that all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You should not trust them. Typically, these pop-ups attack Mac computers, and they claim that your computer is infected with 3 viruses. But the truth is that no matter what part of the world these pop-ups attack computers, they mention the same thing, that the computer is infected with 3 viruses. So it cannot be true that so many computers are infected with the same number of viruses. Anyway, all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and you should not tolerate them. Do not trust whatever they tell you. Just leave this page. I also recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, the official website of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Download the software and start researching your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these 3 free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.